Okay guys, so what I'm going to start with is a waterfall plait. Okay, so you just braid it similar to a normal braid, a normal French braid. Okay, so we go over like a normal French braid. Then we drop the third piece. Then after you've dropped the third piece, pick up a piece from behind the piece you've just dropped. So then you've got 3 pieces again. Okay, then carry on braiding like a normal French braid. Take it from the top and put it into the middle strand like you would a normal French braid. Braid again and then drop. Okay, so same method. Take a piece from back that piece, braid like a normal braid again. And then drop. It's one of these things guys that when you start it you think it's not working, but just keep at it because it does. So you're picking up your third piece again, okay, over like a normal braid, and you're taking a piece from the top. And we're just going to do that all the way around. Same method. When you come round to the front, guys, try and keep it in as straight a line as you possibly can. You want to try and sort of stick so it's all level all the way around. So when you come in to the front, you can either carry on plaiting, and you have nowhere left to take. Okay, so now I've got nowhere to take from the top or from the bottom. So you can either just pop your bobble into that piece there and just leave it to hang, or you can carry on plaiting, which I prefer to carry on plaiting myself, so it just adds to the effect. So it's just a normal braid all the way down to the bottom. Okay, and then just to secure, just a normal elastic band, normal elastic bubble, just pop in the bottom. If you want to do it so you can get a little bit more body through the top, you can always sort of pull at the pieces that are hanging. You can sort of pull at these pieces just so you get that bit of body through the top. Totally up to you. Okay, so that is your waterfall braid.